Macro traders and investors, here we are today, and I'm Domenico, and I bring you my institutional vision on global markets. Get ready because today we are analyzing how he built a pro level multi chain AI trading bot in under 30 minutes using CaffeineAI alien technology. What's good, crypto crew? Today we're diving into an insane story. A developer named CryptoEights, he built a full stack multi-chain AI trading agent in under 30 minutes using Caffeine AI. No dev teams, no months of coding, just one prompt and bam! A pro level bot ready to crush it across Ethereum, Polygon, Base, Solana, and Optimism. Even wilder, guys, this bot is set to complete in the Recore Network's Crypto Trading Challenge kicking off tomorrow, August the 20th, 2025, with a $10,000 prize pool to be won. We're talking real time profit and loss rankings and agent versus agent battles. Stick around as we break down every feature, share exclusive insights on how Caffeine AI is revolutionizing Web3 on the internet computer, and reveal how you could jump into this game changing technology yourself. If you're into DeFi, AI agents, or making money while you chill, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. First, guys, let's unpack Caffeine AI. It launched in July 2025 by the DFINITY Foundation, the team behind the Internet Computer Protocol, ICP. Caffeine AI is the world's first self-writing apps platform where it's just not spitting out code, it's a full on-text stack where AI builds and deploys apps through simple conversation. These apps live entirely on chain on ICP's decentralized network, meaning no AWS or centralized servers, just secure, scalable, censorship resistant dApps. ICP itself is a beast, a blockchain that functions like a global computer, hosting everything from DeFi to NFTs directly on chain. With Chain Fusion tech, it integrates seamlessly with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, and more, which is how CryptoEights trading bot jumps chains effortlessly. You can only do this on the world computer. DFINITY's been cooking since 2016, and Caffeine AI's early access, rolled out post their San Francisco launch in July, is blowing up. Invite codes drop randomly on their X account at Caffeine AI or through hubs like at DFINITY, at ICP Hubs underscore ID, and at ICP Hubs. Pro tip if you follow them on X, because the waiting list is growing fast after posts like at CryptoEights went viral. So, what's this big deal? Building multi chain trading infra traditionally takes months. You need a full stack dev team. CryptoEights just told CaffeineAI build a trading agent that trades across multiple chains, pulls real time data, executes orders, and analyzes markets with artificial intelligence. And 30 minutes later, CryptoEights had a fully functional trading bot. Let's break down that. Let's break that down and what this can do. Feature one, it has a multi-chain domination. CryptoEights bot trades on Ethereum for deep liquidity, Polygon for low fees, Base for Coinbase ecosystem benefits, and Solana for blazing fast transactions, and Optimism for Ethereum layer 2 scaling. Thanks to ICP chain fusion, it could switch chains without manual bridging or gas fee struggles. In the recall challenge, this gives it an edge to snipe cross-chain opportunities ranked purely by profit and loss. This is why ICP is the heart of Web3 interoperability. Feature 2, real-time data power. The bot pulls live token pair data from Dexscreener, prices, volume, liquidity pools for pairs like ETH UDC or Sol Ray. Dexscreener's API updates every few seconds, so the bot catches pumps, dumps, or arbitrage opportunities instantly in the market. Feature 3, automated trading smart. It's got stop loss and take profit orders systemically built in. For instance, set a 10% take profit and it sells automatically. Trailing stops lock in gains during volatility. It even handles multi-chain swaps with error handling. If Solana trade fails due to network congestion, which has happened many times, when Solana's network gets over congested, it crashes. It basically retires or switches chains seamlessly so it doesn't need to rely on Solana. As we know, Solana has crashed many times, laugh out loud. Feature 4, AI-powered analysis. Using CaffeineAI's large language model stack, the bot crunches market indicators. For instance, RSI for overbought, oversold signals, if you want to use those lagging indicators, RSI above 70 triggers sell alert, MACD, the moving average convergence divergence for trend reversals, or you can use any type of trading indicator you like, any moving average crossover. So it's quite in depth in that part. It can even pull sentiment from X post or news, pairing it with recall APIs for competition ready strategies. So it can actually trade based on news sentiment also with the strategy. And feature 5, recall API integration. For the at real CoreNet challenge, the bot authenticates via recall secure API keys managed through a slick dashboard. It tracks balances across multi-chain wallets and submits trades to Recall's simulator. Recall's network, which is built on ICP, hosts AI agent battles like their autonomous apes hackathons, where bots compete in 24-hour trading sprints. The current challenge, which started yesterday, August the 26th, and will go on to September the 2nd, 2025, is open to all. You could trade any coin on any chain, ranked by P&L with tools like their agent CLI for setup. Prizes for these challenge is 10K total, plus major clout if you win, that's for sure. And CryptoEights bot uses Recourse Trading Simulator, MCP, for risk-free testing before going live. So when we look at it, let's look at the extra goodies. The bot self-manages with automated strategy updates. It comes with real-time dashboard, web and mobile, showing the live P&L, position, and alerts. Coming from me that has a trading background, this is just like any technology. It's mind-blowing. Like to be able to do all this in 30 minutes is just like unheard of, and has bulletproof error handling for things like API rate limits or wallet discounts. All this from one prompt. One prompt, natural language. You don't need sophisticated language with an IQ of 140 to speak to the prompt. You could talk to the prompt like you're talking to a baby. It's crazy. With CaffeineAI burning ICP tokens during deployment, a deflationary model tying value to usage. And we're just at the start. We're just in the beta stage. When this goes out to the public, we're waiting 2-3 years. Eventually, when we have hundreds of millions of users going into the billions of users, a deflationary model, as these tokens will burn to Valhalla, then you can see what price will do. So the X community is going wild. Users are building NFT marketplaces, DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations, and more in minutes with CaffeineAI. CaffeineAI levels a playing field for anyone. AI isn't just writing code, it's building entire infrastructure. Do you remember when CZ was speaking with Raul Pal? I think it was at Token 2049. He was talking about how we're going to have individuals building billion-dollar businesses. They're going to build those billion-dollar businesses on CaffeineAI. I can assure you that. There will be many people that will build billion-dollar businesses just themselves using Caffeine AI. So this is just one example. I know on X, there was another example of a guy who built a prototype of DocuSign, which is I think it's a multi-billion-dollar company. He built like DocuSign himself. Like, that idea of just building DocuSign, just imitating DocuSign and building it on Caffeine AI yourself, that's just there are potential billion-dollar businesses just built from natural language prompts. So, but why does this matter? This AI technologies is going to cause ICP ecosystem to continue on booming. With a market cap today of around 3 billion as of August 2025, and integrations like Bitcoin Fire, as we can see that CKBDC is on the up, and we could compare it to centralized setups like Firebase or AWS, which cost hundreds monthly. ICP Canvas smart contracts are cheap. They're infinitely scalable, and the risks, crypto volatility, but tools like CaffeineAI make entry barriers vanish. Someday, guys, we're going to have billions of mobile phone users where they will all be developers. This gives the masses the opportunities they would never have had. Want to try it? Hit caffeine.ai for the waitlist, stalk at CaffeineAI or DFINITY X for invite codes, or check the foreign tips for the Recall Challenge. Sign up app.recall.network. Agent registration is open now. But I know definitely in the later part of this year, it will be available to all the masses, Caffeine AI. So if you got hyped from this discussion, smash the like button, comment Caffeine AI if you're jumping in and going to be taking advantage of this alien technology, and subscribe for more Web3 AI breakdowns. Will CryptoEights bot take the 10K challenge? I hope so. Drop your predictions below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, guys.